Welcome to this video on C++ threads. We will cover what threads are, why we use them, and some basic thread operations. What exactly are threads? In C++, threads allow you to manage parallel tasks. This important functionality is readily available in the standard library. Threads enable us to process data much faster by distributing the workload across your computer's threads. Threads have many uses, including running background work and parallelizing CPU-heavy tasks like data analysis or AI. They are also crucial for handling I/O without blocking, separating parts of game engines, managing robots, and allowing servers to handle multiple clients. This simple example demonstrates how to create a thread. It includes the thread and chrono libraries, defines a worker function, and then starts a thread in main. The main loop runs in parallel with the worker thread, and finally, we join the spawned thread. Joining is one of the two ways to release a thread. It stops the current thread until the spawned thread has completed its task. This is useful when you need a known shutdown time. The thread computes data you need later, or you must synchronize parallel work at the end. Detaching is the other way to release a thread. It allows the current thread to keep running without stopping it at all. Detaching is useful for background logging, loading large amounts of data, or threads that run for the entire program lifetime. The joinable operation lets you check if a thread still represents a running OS thread, or if its task is finished. This is often used before calling join or detach, after moving a thread, and when managing threads in destructors. The getID operation allows you to retrieve the thread's unique ID. This is helpful for logging, diagnosing race conditions, and tracking work across a thread pool. In conclusion, using stdthread allows C++ programs to run multiple tasks simultaneously, significantly enhancing parallel performance. These threads are excellent for offloading tasks like logging, asset loading, or complex repetitive CPU calculations. The join function is often used to ensure proper thread collection and prevent unintended behavior. Thank you for watching this video on C++ threads. See you next time.